Just we study about, so what is the define of matter? Anything that occupies space, possesses mass, offers resistance, and can be felt by one or more of our senses, called as matter. Classification of matter. Matters are classified in two types. First one physical classification and second one chemical classification. According to physical classification, matters can be classified in three types: solids, liquids and gases. And either chemical classification, matter is classified as elements, compounds and mixture. Next one, we study about the physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. Particle nature of matter. For a long time, there were many philosophers which believe that matter was made up of ultimately small particles. We shows by this by an experiment. Hold a glass sheet in our hand. Look at it. The sheet of the continuously in appearance. Suddenly it falls due to an accident and breaks into the small pieces or the tiny particles. It proves that the glass sheet is not continuous, but it is made up of very tiny particles. Thus the matter is not continuous but is particulate in nature. It is made up of particles. How the matter is small are these particles of matter. Next experiment we shows that this experiment shows that the estimating how small are the particles of matter. With every dilution, though the color becomes light, it will still visible. We take 100 ml of water and either we put a one crystal of potassium permanganate dissolved in 100 ml of water. We notice that the color of beaker will be violet. Either we put 10 ml from this glass beaker and put into the 90 ml of water in either another beaker. Similar here, we notice that the color will be lighter. Similar, these processes can be formed to 5 to 10 6 times. We notice that the color will be shows. So how the particles of matter? We notice that the particles of matter are very small. They are small beyond our imagination. This experiment shows that the one crystal of potassium permanganate, which is KMnO4, have millions of tiny particles. Next one, characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. Take a 100 ml of beaker, fill half the beaker with the water and mark the level of water. Dissolve the some salt or the sugar with help of glass rod. we notice that matter consists of small particles. We observe that the level of water beaker remains same. Conclusion: matter consists of small particles. There are some vacant species called voids. These species are also known as intermolecular space. Particles of matter are continuously moving. We shows this one an activity that when an incense stick or agarbatti is not lit and the temperature is low, the kinetic energy of the particles are very low and we have to go closer to smell it. But when the incense stick or agarbatti is lit, the temperature increases and hence the kinetic energy of particles also increases. They have more move faster and intermix themselves with the particles of air rapidly. We notice that agarbatti smell even from a large distance.